Here we are at Vineyard Station, Bandon Road, level crossing in Sydney with the Searle Family 123. And in fact, in Vineyard there are actually two level crossings. One on Level Crossing Road, which is further up the line, but videos of that one already exist on YouTube. So I thought it would only make sense to capture this one. So the lights are from UGL. Yeah, and the base and light from United Group, which had later become UGL. Gate mechanisms are from Western Cullen Hayes, who also supplied the Type 777 electronic bells. I think I would consider this level crossing as just kind of unsafe, because as you can probably tell, there's no pedestrian gates, only traffic barriers. Yeah. I'll just check when the next train is due. It's going to be a Richmond services, so it's going to be coming up towards me from the angle you're currently looking at. Oh, as she's just about to say. And that train is now at Riverstone. Oh, I think I better put my phone on silent for the time being. So that Richmond service has just left Riverstone, so I think this crossing is just about to activate. There's a green signal just over there. I don't know if you can see it, but we'll just have to wait. Oh, here we go. There go the barriers. Okay. I'm not sure how long the bell on that side rings for, but this one's still ringing. Here it comes. Okay. A36 for Richmond. Okay. Alright. Okay. Come on, driver, give me a tone. Come on, give me a tone. Cheers, driver. There it goes. A36 for Richmond. Wow, that feels quite loud. There we go. And there go the gates. Alright.